combat winter dryness, use a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid for hydrated skin. Avoid stripping essential oils by choosing a mild, hydrating cleanser for gentle cleansing. Protect your skin from UV rays even in winter with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Gently exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells and maintain a healthy glow. Prevent chapped lips in cold weather by keeping them moisturized with a hydrating lip balm. Maintain moisture levels indoors by using a humidifier to counteract the drying effects of heating. Retain moisture in your skin by opting for lukewarm water instead of hot showers. Maximize absorption and effectiveness of skincare products by layering them from thinnest to thickest consistency. Promote healthy skin from the inside out by consuming foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids. Keep your skin and body hydrated by maintaining a good water intake for overall skin health during the winter.